If you're experiencing a verification pending issue on Samsung Pay, follow these simple steps to resolve it quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause verification delays. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it resolves the issue. Step 2. Restart the app. Close the Samsung Pay app completely and then reopen it. This can refresh the app and may help in clearing any temporary glitches that are causing the verification to hang. Step 3. Update the app. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Clear app cache. Navigate to your device's settings, find the Samsung Pay app, and clear its cache. This action can help eliminate any corrupted data that might be causing the verification process to stall. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Samsung customer support for assistance. They can provide more specific guidance and help you resolve the verification pending issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the verification pending issue on Samsung Pay. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from Samsung support.